Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhoda and this is the Kukulicious Kitchen, where we always make amazing recipes the easiest of ways. Well, today we're going to be making a subtle sweet drink. You know, that Nigerian favorite kind of drink, Zobo. Yes. Well, my Zobo recipe, I'm going to be using 5 ingredients, just 5. So first of all, I'm going to be using our flowers, our Zobo flowers. I'm also going to be using the back of a pineapple. It's very important you use queen pineapple. Okay, queen is the sweet one. So a lot of people like to use the main pineapple and blend it. Well, I prefer to use the peel of the pineapple. So you have to wash before you peel. Okay, this has lots of nutrients in it. So I'm also going to be using my ginger and my honey, Zobo honey. It's called Zobo honey, yes. So I was introduced to it today in the market, so I actually want to see how it is. And please, if you know the name in English, let me know. I'll be delighted to know. Okay. And finally, I'm going to be using orange. Yes. So I'm just going to, you see the way I did it, so slice it and use it. All right, so in place of the Zobo honey, you can use your date fruit, or you can use honey or sugar. Okay, so for us who are considering losing weight, you know, we're looking for substitutes, so I'm using this. In a pot, I'm going to pour my Zobo flowers, and please make sure you wash your flowers, because at times you can see dirt and sand and all of that, so it's necessary you wash your flowers. So you're going to layer it on the bottom of the pot. Now the next thing we're going to add is our pineapples, the peel of our pineapple. Make sure it's properly laid. Then I'm going to add my ginger and my Zobo honey. Then finally, I'm going to lay my orange on it. So you're going to add as much water as you want, but bear in mind, if the water is too much, your Zobo will end up tasting very light. But we just want it to balance. We don't want a mixture of we just want it to be balanced. So you just have to be careful on the quantity of water you are going to put. Some people like to soak. I don't like to soak. I like to boil first. So I'm going to boil. I'm going to cook this for about 30 minutes. Then I'll take it off the heat and just leave it in the water for at least 12 hours. So I'm making this drink it's 8 o'clock, so I'm going to leave it up till the next day. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to leave it for 12 hours. So it's on the fire. You can see the quantity of liquid I added. So I've set it on the stove for it to boil. So you can see it's looking all beautiful. So tomorrow I'm going to show you. So if you have cloves, you can also add your cloves into it. So I don't have cloves now. So we're going to let it cook for 30 minutes. We'll get it off the fire. Then we'll let it cool down. We're going to let it rest till tomorrow. That's the way I do mine. This is my Zobo the next day. As you can see, it's time. I'm going to filter it and put it and fill it in my bottles. So when I was done, I had 3 bottles. You can see I filled them in my bottles. And it tastes so good and so natural. So what you can do is, if you don't like you want the taste to be more sugary, you add sugar. So I have children in my house, so I added sugar to this and this. I added sugar syrup to this and this. So for this one, it's just natural, the way I like it. So thank you for staying with me. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.